India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in manufacturing and polymer processing, CTS offers the trade of plastic processing operator. From packaging companies and automotive manufacturers to construction firms, consumer goods producers, and polymer industries, trained plastic processing operators play a vital role every single day. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant machines, tools, and real workshop environments. Students learn types of plastics and polymers, injection molding, extrusion, blow molding, thermoforming, rotomolding, raw material handling, quality control, product inspection, and practical machine operation and maintenance using industry-relevant tools and workshop training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across plastic manufacturing units, packaging industries, automotive component manufacturers, construction material producers, consumer goods companies, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow.